Let's make Asian ribs.
Alright family, so for today's recipe, we're going to be using organic beetroot. You can get that at Whole Foods, and our 5 spice powder. We're going to be using oyster mushrooms from H Mart, guys. So first off, I'm going to slice them up real nice and thin so it could mimic and resemble boneless ribs, alright? Alright family, so now I'm gonna stack my oyster mushrooms so I could begin to chop them up nicely, guys. You don't have to do it this way. Everybody do their own way, but this is what I'm doing just to show you a step by step on how to veganize your boneless ribs. Alright family, so the full recipe is in the description below. Alright guys, so definitely gotta use that pork seasoning to give it that porky taste. Add your water. Watch how beautiful that red comes out. Just how you used to go to the Chinese store and get those boneless spare ribs, guys. Yes, I am mimicking boneless spare ribs. I'm adding some barbecue sauce that I made from scratch. The recipe for that is also on my website. So we're gonna keep mixing until everything comes together. All right, guys, and then you can look at it right here. Look how beautiful that is. Now it's time for us to add these mushrooms. Add your mushrooms, guys. I always wash my mushrooms before I do anything. So if you want to wash it, you can wash it, but this is my end result. I'm gonna add some cornstarch. Again, the recipe is in the description below. Why am I adding cornstarch? So when I add it to the fryer, it can turn nice and hard and crispy so I could mimic boneless spare ribs. All right, guys, check this out. Boom. Here goes nothing. Now let's fry our oyster mushrooms. All right, guys, so let's see how it comes out. Wow, it's amazing how you could veganize and recreate the same dishes that you used to eat that wasn't vegan. Look at that. It's gonna come out incredible. The flavors all coming together. Now what I'm gonna do is double dip my oyster mushrooms back in the marinated sauce that I had with the 5 sauce and the beetroot. As you can see right here, I double dip. I took it out the fryer, and the reason I'm doing that is so that all the flavors could stay packed in. Dropping it again for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then voila, until it's nicely golden and brown. You can't tell me these don't look like boneless spare ribs, guys. Come on. Do they even look like oyster mushrooms? Come on, guys. All right, so we're gonna add some barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna add our boneless spare rib oysters to the barbecue sauce, and we're gonna mix it in and put that to the side. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. This recipe normally calls for broccoli, but I wanted to add a kick to it and add some more things like some peas and green peppers and red peppers, yellow peppers, and carrots, guys. All right, we're gonna saute this in some sesame oil, add a little garlic to the plate, you know what I'm saying? Like make the flavors pop, all right? And then we're gonna go ahead and plate right now.